So in this video, we are going to begin with exercise 8.2 from chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Now, this is the question number 1 from exercise 8.2. Let's read the question. Evaluate the following. So we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expressions and we have to find the values of each of these expressions. Now you can closely see that these expressions are basically trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So 60 degree, 30 degree, then 45 degree, then yes, 45, 30, 60. These are the four angles which you can see across all these five expressions, and we have sine, cos, tan, sec, etc, etc. So previously we have seen the values of all these six trigonometric ratios at all the five different angles. That is noted here. Let me bring it up. Yes. So this is what we derived in our previous videos, that the values of all these six trigonometric ratios, okay, at these five specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So these are all the values. So this table is going to be very useful for us in solving all these five expressions of the trigonometric ratios. So first of all, let's start with expression number 1. So this expression number 1. So it says sine 60 into cos 30. So I'm going to use this now. Yeah. So sine, okay, this is not. So sine 60. So that's root 3 by 2. So I'm going to insert here root 3 by 2 multiplied by cos 30. So this is cos and this is cos 30, which is also root 3 by 2 plus, then we have sine 30. Sine 30 is half. So half into cos 60. Cos 60 is also half. So half into half. So this is our first expression. So that is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. This is equal to 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So the answer of the first expression is equal to 1. Let's make a note of it. I'm just going to write here is equal to 1. So this table is what we have to use, a very straightforward set of questions, and using these tables and all the values, we just insert the values in the expression and find their value. Now let's clear this up. Yes. Now let's go to our expression number 2. Okay, it says 2, so it's basically 2 multiplied by tan square 45. So tan square 45 is nothing but it is tan 45 the whole square plus cos square 30, it is nothing but cos 30 the whole square minus sine square 60 is nothing but sine 60 the whole square. So don't get confused by this square terminal, by this square term is basically the whole square. Okay, so now we know tan 40, cos 30 and sine 60 from this table. Let's insert the values. So this is tan 45, tan 45 is 1, so this is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos of 60. So cos of 60 is half, so that is equal to, oh sorry, this is yeah, 2 into 1, oops, it is 2 into 1 square. Okay, important, it's 2 into 1 square plus cos 60 is half, so it is half the whole square minus, now we have to find sine of 60. Sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, so minus root 3 by 2 the whole square. So don't forget the square, and that is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 the whole square is 3 by 4. Okay, so that is equal to, now 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, this can be done first, so that will be equal to 2 minus 2 by 4. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 4. Okay, so that is equal to, let's evaluate it here, that is equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 the whole divided by 4, and that is equal to 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 is the answer of the second expression. So let's zoom in here, and this is equal to 6 by 4. So this becomes our second expression. Now let's erase this all and go to our expression number 3. So all you need to know is this table to find out the values of all the expression. This table is very important. Now let's go to expression number 3. So let me zoom in. So this is our expression number 3. Now it says cos of 45 degree. So once again, cos of 45 is 1 by root 2. So that is our numerator, 1 by root 2, the whole divided by sec of 30 degree. So this is my sec of 30 degree, that is 2 by root 3, okay, plus, and then we have cosec of 30 degree. Cosec of 30 degree is 2, that is equal to 2. So we have to evaluate this expression. So let's evaluate it. Now that is equal to 1 by root 2. Let's keep the numerator as it, and let's solve this denominator. So that's going to be 2 plus root 3 into 2 the whole by root 3. So that is going to be 2 plus root 3 into 2 the whole divided by root of 3. Okay. Now that is equal to, once again, 1 by root 2 I will keep as it is, the numerator, the whole divided by, this is 2 plus 2 root 3 the whole divided by root 3. Okay. So now this is nothing but 1 by root 2, okay, into, this is 2 plus 2 root 3, okay, upon under root of 3. Okay, I have just simplified the expression. So this is numerator divided by denominator, numerator divided by denominator, and this is our numerator by denominator, but we reciprocal. So we find the so this is the reciprocal. So this is the denominator, and this goes upside. So it becomes root 3. Now we can evaluate this. That is basically equal to root of 3 into root of 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 root 3. So we can keep this answer as it is, or if you wish, you can take this root 2 inside this expression and evaluate it further. So now this is again equal to root of 3 whole divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 3 into root 2. So that is going to be root 6. So this is our final expression of third. This is our final answer of our third expression. Okay, root 3. Yes. So quite okay. Root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So let me write here. So it's root 3 divided by 2, what was it? Sorry, 2 root 2 plus 2 root of 6. Is it correct? Let me confirm. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Yes, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So that becomes our expression number 3 to be solved. Now let's go to expression number 4. So this is our expression number 4, and expression number 4 has quite a lot of terms. So let's try to insert their values from the given table. So first we start with sine 30. So this is my sine of 30 is half. So there is going to be half plus tan of 45. So this is tan, and tan of 45 is 1. So 1 minus cosec of 60. So this is cosec of 60 is 2 by root 3. Okay, and this whole divided by, in denominator we have sec 30. So sec of 30, which is again 2 by root 3, and then plus cos of 60. So this is cos of 60 is half, so that is equal to half, and plus cot of 45. So this is cot, and cot of 45 is 1, that is equal to 1. So be careful in inserting the appropriate values of each of these terms. Don't make a mistake there. So this becomes our whole expression, and now we have to evaluate this to get some proper value. So let's start the evaluation. That is equal to half plus 1 is basically 3 by 2 minus 2 root 3. This is our numerator, whole divided by, and here also I'll keep 2 by root 3 as it is, and half plus 1 is again going to be equal to 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is of the form a minus b, and this is a plus b. Okay. So in fact, just to rearrange this, I'll move here. Yes. So let's draw a line. Okay. So I'm going to just rearrange this. So that's going to be 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Okay. The whole divided by 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. Okay. So this is of the form a minus b and a plus b. So either we can use the identity a minus b and then rationalize this by multiplying by a plus b plus b, or I think we'll continue with our usual simplification of the numerator and denominator, and let's see where it goes. So first of all, let's focus on this numerator part. Okay, this numerator part, that is going to be equal to 3 into root 3, okay, minus 2 into 2 4, the whole divided by 2 root 3, okay, and then this is the whole fraction, and this is our denominator now. Again 3 root 3 plus 4 and the whole divided by 2 root 3. Okay, now this 2 root 3 and this 2 root 3 will cancel each other, so I'm just going to like cancel them. Okay, this is equal to, and thus equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So this is the answer of our fourth expression, 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So let me write it down here. Minus, okay, so this is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. So that is our expression number 4. And now we have the final expression which is remaining. So okay, I'll go down and solve it, but we also need the table. Okay, then let's erase this. Okay, now we have to focus on our last expression, expression number 5. So once again we have 5 cos square 60, which is nothing but cos 60 the whole square. This is also sec 30 the whole square. This is tan 45 the whole square. Okay, so we are going to use those values from this table. Let's erase this. Okay, so let's start substituting the values. This is 5 times, okay, cos of 60 the whole square. So hold on, let me get a different number, a different color. So 5 into cos of 60. So this is cos and this is cos of 60 the whole square. So I'm going to write here 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into sec 30. So this is my sec, and sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 and this whole square, okay, and minus tan 45. So tan and 45 is 1. So minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square. This whole thing divided by, we have sine and then 30 the whole square. So once again half the whole square, plus we have once again cos, and this time we have 30. So cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 the whole square. So this becomes our whole expression after substituting the appropriate values from this table. Now let's try to solve it. Okay, so that is equal to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1, and this whole thing divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now let's continue solving this. Okay, we can in fact remove this now. Yes, let's remove this so that we can use the space below. Now this is equal to 5. Let me write it properly. This is 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16 by 3 minus 1 the whole divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is actually equal to 4 by 4, and 4 by 4 is 1. So this is equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Okay, now first we are going to evaluate this expression. So let's evaluate this expression first. Let me highlight it. Okay, so now that is equal to 5 into 3 15 plus 4 into 16 the whole divided by 4 3s are 12 minus 1. Okay, so that is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 4 into 16 64 whole divided by 12 minus 1. That is equal to 15 plus 64 is 5 plus 4 9 and 6 plus 1 is 7, 79 by 12 minus 1. Okay, and that is equal to 79 minus 12 whole divided by 12, and that is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, so 67 by 12. So 67 by 12 is the expression value is the value of the expression of fifth. So I'm just going to write it here, is equal to 67 by 12. Okay. So thus we started with this, evaluate the following question number 1, and we have found out this is the first, this is the second value, this one is the third value, third expression, this one is the fourth expression value, and this one is the fifth expression value, which we have taken from this table. A very simple straightforward question. You just need to know the values, appropriate values of all the 6 trigonometric ratios for all the 5 specific angles.